Vidya Maths online class. Today we discuss 10th standard 6th chapter trigonometry. In this chapter already we discussed two exercises. Today we are going to discuss exercise 6.3. In this exercise discuss the topic is angle of depressions. So already we saw angle of depression and the angle of elevation. Last exercise we completed angle of elevation. Now we see angle of depression. See the first sum. From the top of the rock 50√3 meter height, the angle of depression of a car on the ground is observed to be 30 degree. Find the distance of the car from the rock. So here we take this is the car. This is the ground. Here B is the ground. BC is the rock. Here see this rock, top of the rock. See that car, we take that angle of depression is 30 degree. Here mark it. So already we saw that angle of depression. Here this one you take, here on horizontal line. So this like that, below the horizontal line is angle of depression. Angle of, this one is the ground. So this is the horizontal line below, that is angle of depression. So here how to make a right angle triangle and how to apply the trigonometric ratios. So this is a horizontal line, this is also horizontal line. So that is a parallel line. Parallel line you draw an intersecting line, that is called the transversal. So in the transversal, alternate angles are equal. The lower classes you studied. So two parallel line intersecting on line, that line is called transversal. These two angles are alternate angles. The two alternate angles are equal. So here what are alternate angles? These two lines are parallel. This is the intersecting line. So these two angles are alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles are equal. So here 30 degree means this also definitely 30 degree. So now you consider the right angle triangle. B here make 90 degree. The height the rock is BC is 50√3. Height of the rock 50√3 meter. The top, from the top of the rock you see the car. The angle of elevation is 30 degree. Here 30 degree means the alternate angles are 30 degree. So we follow the all the sums like this. So alternate angles you make it and then consider the right angle triangle and apply the angle of elevation method. Clear? So now this is the angle of elevation. So angle of depression and angle of elevations are equal. And then you follow the last exercise model. Angle of elevation is completed now. The same model you do it. First write the given. Height of the rock BC equal to 50√3 and A is the position of your car. A is the position of a car. Angle of depression of the car are seen from the top of the rock is what? XCA. This 30 degree means this also 30 degree. So CAB also 30 degree. So we want to find the distance. What is the distance of the car from the rock? So this is a rock, this is a car. So distance between A to B you want to find it. So distance of the car from the rock AB equal to X meter. Unknown value we take X meter. Which triangle select it? ABC. The same method, last exercise method, elevation method you do it. In triangle, right angle triangle. In right angle triangle ABC, this one theta means this one opposite side, this one adjacent. This one we need, this one we know. So which theta apply? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan theta is equal to opposite is BC by adjacent AB. So theta is 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to BC answer 50√3 by AB answer X. This answer X meter. So next tan √3 value, table value 1 by √3. Denominator X comes inside numerator into is equal to 50√3. So X is equal to denominator √3 goes to opposite side numerator. So 50 into √3 into √3 is equal to √3 into √3 3. So 50 into 3 150. So X is equal to 150. So what is X value? Distance of the car from the rock is equal to 150 meter. Clear or not? Now we see second sum. The horizontal distance between two buildings is 70 meter. The angle of depression top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building is 45 degree. If the height of the second building is 120 meter, find the height of the first building. Here two buildings given. This one we take first building, this one we take second building. Second building height is 120 meter. First building height only we want to find. So first building height we take as x meter. The distance between two building is 70 meter. The distance between two building is 70 meter. And you see the top of the second building to top of the first building is the angle of depression is 45 degree. So that is the given in the question. So you make the diagram. First building and the second building, distance between two building is 70 meter. First building mention x meter and second building we mention 120 meter. The last question so we discussed. So the angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. That is alternate interior angles are equal to these two lines are we make one parallel line and this is the intransversal. Clear? So these two angles are equal. So now you consider this right angle triangle. So here make 90 degree. Like that draw a right angle triangle. We want to make a right angle triangle, then only apply the trigonometric ratios. So ADE is a right angle triangle. So this one 90 degree, this one hypotenuse. Here 45 degree, this one opposite side. This one 70. These two. Here ABCD is a rectangle. So this one 70 means these two also equal 70 meter. Because in rectangle the opposite sides are equal. So this x meter means this also x meter. Clear? Next given right height of the first building AB, that is AB and CD also x and CD also x meter. Next height of the second building CE, the total length is 120 meter. Next distance between the first and the second building BC equal to, this is the first building, the second building, distance between these two is 70 meter. The angle of depression of the top of the second building to top of the first building is 45 degree. So XEA is equal to EAD. These two angles are 45 degree. So here written XEA equal to EAD equal to 45 degree. Next we consider angle right angle triangle EAD. In right angle triangle EAD, this is the opposite side, this one adjacent. So you want to find this AB, this same as CD. Anyone you find AB or CD. So you consider this triangle, this one theta means opposite adjacent we need means which theta? Select tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite is what? ED by AD. So here tan 45 degree is equal to ED we don't know. So ED write as it is. AD answer 70 meter. So tan 45 the table value 1. 1 denominator 70 comes inside, numerator is equal to ED. 1 into 70 70. So ED answer is 70. See the diagram. ED answer 70. But EC we know 120. EC equal to 120. This EC can be written ED plus DC. ED plus CD is equal to 120. ED answer 70 plus CD. You want to find CD is X equal to 120. So X is equal to 120 minus 70 is equal to 120 minus 70 50. Therefore height of the first building is equal to 50 meter. Therefore height of the first building is 50 meter. Compulsory on to write the units. Clear? So you select the triangle properly and ratios. So easily you find the answer. Clear? Now third question. From the top of the tower 60 meter high, the angles of depression of the top and the bottom of a vertical lamp post are observed to be 38 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the lamp post. Here two objects are there. One is tower, another one lamp post. So you draw a tower and another one lamp post. Here tower height is 60 meter and the next one is given top and bottom of a vertical lamp post are observed to be 38 degree and 60 degree respectively. Where from the top of the tower. So top angle of depression is 38 degree, bottom angle of depression is 60 degree. Clear? We want to find the height of the lamp post. So height of the lamp post we take x meter. So here 30 degree, 38 degree, no? The same method. This is angle of depression. So this one, these two lines here make a parallel line, that is horizontal line. So A, B, C, D is a rectangle, we get it. And in this place, here 38 means this is 38 degree because alternate angles are equal. This whole fully 60 degree means this angle 60 degree. Clear? So this is a diagram. So this one x meter, this is also x meter, and BE equal to CD. So all the givens you mention clearly. And BC equal to CD, ED x meter. And write the given height of the tower AC equal to 60 meter. Height of the vertical lamp post ED equal to BC also. So BC also x meter. Clear? Next, angle of depressions of the top and the bottom of the lamp post observed from the top of the tower is, this top of the tower is 30, top of the tower to lamp post is 30 degree and this top to bottom of the lamp post is 60 degree. So write angle XAE 38 degree. This 38 means AEB also. Angle AEB also 38 degree. Next one XAD 60 degree. So this is equal to ADC. Angle ADC also 60 degree. Clear? So next we choose which triangle. So first choose ACD. This is a right angle triangle. Here make 90 degree. So right angle triangle ACD. Which theta? This one hypotenuse. This is theta. Theta. This one opposite. This one adjacent. So opposite adjacent means tan theta. We need hypotenuse means we select sin and cos. Otherwise we select tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite AC. Tan theta is equal to AC by adjacent CD. Theta is 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to AC. Answer 60 meter. 60 by CD we don't know. So write as it is. So tan 60. What is the table value? Root 3. Root 3. Denominator CD comes inside numerator. So root 3 into CD is equal to 60. 60 is equal to this multiplication root 3 comes inside divide. 60 by root 3. So this one is a irrational number. So make a rationalizing factor. So rationalizing factor means root 3 by root 3. So 60 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 3. And simplify 1 3 is 3. 20 2 3s are 6 and 0. So totally 20 root 3. So CD answer is 20 root 3. So this CD answer 20 root 3. This 20 root 3 means BE also 20 root 3. Clear? Next we select ABE. The right angle triangle ABE. This is theta. This one opposite side. This we know. So which theta apply? Say tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite AB. In right angle triangle ABE, tan theta is equal to AB by BE. Theta is 38 degree. Tan 38 degree is equal to AB by BE. What is BE? 20 root 3. So substitute 20 root 3. And tan 38 degree is the table value? No. So that is the in between value. 30 degree after 45 only we know. So 38 degree also given in the question itself. So substitute this value. 0.7813 into denominator 20 root 3. 20 into root 3 value 1.732. So substitute 0.7813 into 20 into 1.732. So all are multiplications, ordinary multiplications. You multiply means we get the answer 27.064232. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? So 7 decimal, here 1 0 also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 decimal. You move and make the point. Clear? So you multiply means you get this answer. But 2 decimal enough. So AB is equal to 27.06. You make 2 decimal, after that this digit is below 5. So write as it is. So 0, 6 only answer. So AB has a 27.06. But which value we need? Height of the lamppost ED is equal to BC. But we know AB only. But AC we know that 60. This AC can be written AB plus BC. This AC can be written AB plus BC. AC answer 60 is equal to AB 27.06 plus BC. Plus 27.06 come this side, minus 27. And simplify 60 minus 27.06. Subtract means what we get? 10 minus 6, 4, here 9. Next is here 9, 9 minus 7, 2, here 5, 5 minus 2, 32. Here, so at last BC answer is 32 minus 90, 32.94. This BC is equal to ED. ED is the height of the lamppost. So therefore ED equal to 32.94. Therefore height of the lamppost is equal to 32.94 meter. So unit compulsory want to write it. Now we see fourth question. An aeroplane at an altitude of 1800 meter finds that 2 boats are sailing towards it in the same direction. The angles of depressions of the boats are observed from the aeroplane are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the distance between the 2 boats. It is a very simple question. Suppose we stand on the building, see the road, 1 car or 2 car. The same like that, here aeroplane and boats. Clear? Have you understand the question? So this is the aeroplane. Here these 2 are boats. So see that one boat, that is 30 degree. Another boat is 60 degree. That height of the aeroplane from the ground level, ground to the aeroplane plane, no, that height is 1800 meter. So the same things, draw a diagram, and angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. That is this one 30 degree, this one 60 degree. Clear? So these 2 are boat. This one aeroplane. See, you mentioned everything. And write given height of the aeroplane from the ground AB is equal to 1800 meter. Angles of depressions of the boats C and D as seen from the aeroplane A. As seen from the aeroplane A is 60 degree and 30 degree. 60 degree means XAC. XAC is equal to ACB. That is 2 values are 60 degree. And XAD is equal to ADB. These 2 values are 30 degree. Clear? So you apply that parallel line. The transverse are, this is the transversal, so alternative angles are equal. After that apply the same Gauss-Lorentz method, angle of elevation. Clear? So now we select which triangle. First you draw the diagram. After that all the questions are same method only. You thorough the trigonometric ratios and table values. All the questions are same method. So answer only different. Clear? So next is in triangle ABC. Here theta, this one we know that this value we need. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, AB by BC. Theta is 60 degree, tan 60 degree is equal to AB 1800 by BC. BC we don't know. So tan 60 degree, table value √3, denominator BC comes inside, numerator is equal to 1800. So BC equal to multiplication √3 comes inside, divide. Last questions we work out now, 60 √3, the same method. 1800 by √3 into, here rationalizing factor, so √3 by √3. So 1800 into √3 by √3 into √3, 3. 1 3 is 3, 3s are 18, so 0, 0. So totally 600 root 3. BZ equal to 600 root 3. This value you getting 600 root 3. Next you select ABD, this triangle. So already complete this triangle. Now you take this triangle. Triangle ABD. Here apply the same. Opposite side we go, other side. So tan theta is equal to AB by BD. Here theta is 30 degree. Is equal to AB 1800 by BD can be written as. This BD is equal to BC plus CD. Clear? This BD can be written as BC plus CD. So apply this BC plus CD. So next tan 30 degree answer, table value 1 by root 3 is equal to 1800 by BC 600 root 3 plus CD. CD we want to find. So 1 by root 3 is equal to 1800 by 600 root 3 plus CD. So and cross multiply 600 root 3 plus CD equal to 1800 root 3. This denominator root 3 comes this side, numerator. And then write CD as it is this side. 600 root 3 goes to opposite side, minus. So 1800 root 3 minus 600 root 3. 1800 minus 600 root 3, same number. So 1800 root 3 minus 600 root 3. So the same root 3, 0, 0, 8 minus 6 is 2, 1. So 1200 root 3. Root 3 value already questions are given 1.732. So 1200 into 1.732. So multiply means we get this answer. 0 and 12 2s are 24, remainder 2, 12 3s are 36 plus 2, 38, remainder 3, 12 7s are 84 plus 3, 87, remainder 8, 12 1s are 12 plus 8, 20. So 2078,400. Here 1, 2, 3, 3 decimal want to make it. So 1, 2, 3 here decimal. 2078.400. So decimal, so no need right. So 2074.4 here meter or kilometer? Meter only given. So here also the same unit meter. Therefore the distance between two board CD is equal to 2078.4 meter. Clear? Now we see fifth question. From the top of a lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships on the opposite sides of it are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree if the height of the lighthouse is h meters and the line joining the ships passes through the foot of the lighthouse. Show that distance between the ship is 4h23 by meter. Have you understand this question? Here AC is the lighthouse. This B and C are the, what is that? Ship. B one ship, D one ship. That is opposite to each other. This one A is lighthouse. A is the lighthouse. Here see this ship. That angle of depression is 30 degree. This ship means angle of depression 60 degree. So the same method, this angle of depression means this angle of elevation, this one also 30 degree. This 60 degree means this angle of elevation is 60 degree. Clear? Apply the parallel lines, alternate interior angles are equal. You apply this concept, you get this angle also 60 degree. Here height of the lighthouse is h meter. Not given the numerical value, h that variable given. The answer also given in the variable 4h root 3. The answer, the questions are given. You want to prove that answer 4h root 3. Clear? So first write that. Have you understood this diagram? See this diagram. So you consider this one triangle ABC, one triangle, and ADC, one triangle. Distance between two ships BD you want to prove. So first you find using this triangle, find BC, and using this triangle find CD, and then add these two means we get the answer 4h root 3. Clear? First write the given. Height of the lighthouse AC equal to h meter. Angle of depression of two ships B and D observed to be 30 degree. B shifts 30 degree, D shifts 60 degree. Means how we write the angle? SAB equal to ABC equal to 30 degree. Next YAD equal to ABC equal to 60 degree. Distance between two shifts, that is BD, BC plus BD. The total distance of two shifts is BD. That can be written BC plus CD. So before you find BC and then CD and then add. So in triangle ABC means easily you find BC. So you select in right angle triangle ABC. Which theta? This one theta, this one opposite side, this one adjacent. So opposite adjacent means tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite AC by adjacent BC. Tan theta is 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to AC H by BC want to find. So tan 30 degree table value. Tan 30 degree table value 1 by root 3 is equal to H by BC. Cross multiply BC equal to H root 3. This one comes inside here this one. So BC answer H root 3. This answer you find H root 3. The same things using this right angle triangle you have to find CD. So write in right angle triangle ACD. ACD. The same theta's opposite is AC. This one adjacent. Opposite and adjacent means which theta? Tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite AC by CD. Theta is 60 degree. Here theta 60 degree. AC H by CD you want to find. So 60 degree value root 3. Table value root 3 H by CD. And cross multiply CD into root 3 is equal to H. Next CD is equal to H by root 3. Multiplications goes to opposite side, divide. So this is a irrational number, so make a rationalizing factor. So root 3 by root 3. So what is that? H root 3 by root 3 into root 3? 3. Here the CD answer H root 3 by 3. So distance between two shifts is BC plus CD, that is BD. So BD is equal to BC plus CD. BC answer H root 3 plus this answer CD H root 3 by 3. Clear? And take LCM. So denominator only 1 like that. So 3 into 1 take LCM 3. And here multiply 3 H root 3 plus H root 3. Here 3H root 3, here 1H. 3H plus 1H, 4H. So 4H root 3 by 3. Clear? But here 4H by root 3 only want to prove. So denominator being root 3. So multiply divided by root 3 by root 3. So what is the answer? 4H root 3 into root 3? 3 by 3 root 3. So 3 3 cancel. At last 4H by root 3. Clear? So we see the proof. What are the proof given? You go to that answer. Clear? So distance between two ships BD is equal to 4H root 3. So this is a very important question. You change this, maybe asked in creative questions also. Instead of lighthouse, given that another object, and here maybe ships also given boat or river like that. Anything be given. Clear? You understand the concept first and draw the diagram, and which diagram you choose it. First one, use this triangle means you get this answer, and choose this triangle means choose this answer. Clear? So the same model, all example sums are there. So you complete the remaining example sums. That is homework. Clear? Thank you students.